Welcome back to Tom's Garage. What is happening? Today, we're going to drain this air compressor tank again. I try to remember to do that every Sunday, but I haven't yet done it. This compressor is 100 days. I drained it at 60 days. And y'all probably remember that video, man. There was a lot of water in it. Well, today is 40 days after that. So 100 days. Let's see how much more water we got in that thing in 40 days. Of course, you know I use this thing a pretty good bit. So what we're going to do is let all the air out of it. Same way we did it last time. Same way we did it last time. Got that little hook right there. Let the air. Let me stop this one. So I want to have a little bit of air left in it. Not a lot though. Because what I'll do is drain all the air out, then I'll turn the compressor back on with the petcock open. One thing I didn't do last time that I meant to do was to clean the air filter. Right there. I got to remember to do that this time. Let's see, we got about 20 pounds. Yeah, man, I can already see moisture all over the thing. Get all the air out. And then I'll let all the water drain. And with the valve still open, I'm going to turn it back on and let it blow. Let it blow out. Okay. Okay. I believe that's good. I'll check this air filter here. Figure out how to get the thing off. Let's see, you got it that way, that way. Let me set the camera up here. I ain't got to hold it. Well, I'll just unscrew the whole thing. It's kind of aggravating to get off. Boy, that thing is on there. I guess you gotta push it down. Let's go stick it in the vise right here. Let's go stick it in the vise. And I'm curious to see what kind of shape these air filters are in. There we go. Oh, them things are nice and clean. Yeah, perfectly clean, perfectly clean. Perfectly clean, perfectly clean. There we go. Well, that was pretty hard to get off. Which is good, I guess, because this thing vibrates like crazy. You don't want the air filters falling out. I'll just take and screw that back in by hand, get it about as tight as an oil filter. There we go. Make sure this one's, yeah, that was about loose. Okay. Let's find out how much water is in it. How much water is in it? Let's see. Grab my flashlight so I can see what I'm doing. I use my fancy new flashlight I got for Christmas. Okay. And under there. Well, I missed half the pan. We'll just let that dribble a little bit. You can see it's got about 4-5 ounces in there. Nasty. Well, I think I missed a pan and spilt half of what was in there. Now I'm going to crank this thing up and let it build up a couple of pounds. I can smell the strike hold I sprayed in there last time. Let's see what we got now. It looks a little rusty, don't it? I bet you that strike hold that is the reason it's colored like that, that reddish. I can even smell the strike hold. So what I'm gonna do is spray more strike hold up in there. Oh, let's see what we're doing here. I'm gonna spray it right up in the hole there. If I can get my hands in there. Let me get this pan out of the way. That thing ain't doing no good. Ooh, did you see that? Where did it go? My finger slipped off of it and I popped that spray thing right off. There we go. I'll try it again. Come on, little straw, make that turn for me. Spray up in there real good. This stuff sprays pretty good sideways. Now I'm going to close the valve. And that stuff will be in there when that tank pressurizes. I can't get in the floor like that no more. Yeah, when that tank pressurizes, it'll kind of vaporize that strike hold. All right. All right. Now we'll just slide it back and get them up and clean our mess up. Well, that thing sure is quiet, isn't it? All right. And that's what we ended up with. You'll see the strike hold. It's the same color. So that stuff vaporizes. Yeah, you can see the little oil floating around that. So it'll vaporize and coat the entire inside of that tank. Well, boys and girls, that wasn't as much water as I thought it was. You can see how much was in the pan. And then there's a little bit left in the floor. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Well, boys and girls, thanks for watching another video. I was curious to see how much water was going to be in there, and there's not a heck of a lot. It ain't been hot and humid. Well, it has been humid. It ain't been real hot over the last 40 days. Yeah, from about mid-November. Yeah. Y'all be good. I love y'all guys, and I will catch y'all on the next one.